Jamaica, land of fun. Coming home feels so good. See the light.
Yeah, this is road you can drive to Ryan Park as well as to other places in Jamaica. Yep. Yeah, it's a nice area. I'm sure over time there'll be some nice sea view homes here. Yes, because the site is excellent. You have an ocean view. But as I say, I don't know who owns these lands, but they are prime property that you can think of. And they'll have more value in the future because this is Jamaica. Yes, always a beautiful sight. Sponge factory. Yeah. Yeah, so you see all these lands, they're going to be expensive if they went up on the real estate because these are prime property. You'll see what I'm talking about on my left, on my right, going down. Yes, outstanding, yep. And it's within 15 minutes from Blue Diamond Shopping Center. Another 5 or so minutes depending on traffic gets you into Montego Bay. That is when I'm driving. Some people might say it's a 15 minutes journey, but I drive according to the road code and the road itself. Yeah, but look, down there, I'm coming down now. That's a scene of the Caribbean. Yeah, the sea always looks wonderful, excellent. I always enjoy driving down this end because I think it's just gorgeous. And you have a tree line there blocking it, but I'm sure if properties were to be built here, they were built, and of course they would have access to a sea view. Somehow I did not appreciate the sea view until I left Jamaica. All I consider now is having a view of the sea. Maybe that's because it's calm and relaxing for me. Yeah, maybe that's the reason. But look at that view. You couldn't get it any better there, right? I think that's so important for us to have. Look at that view. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Land of Jamaica. And of course, here it is. Yeah, we have a lot to be thankful for in Jamaica. Yeah. And we come down, and I'm going to make a right to go on that way, stretch. That's how it is. You know, stop here. Put myself up. So if people want to go, they can go. But it's a wonderful sight, I would say. You have a lot to really see in Jamaica. Put my indicator on because I'm ready to go. That's Hilton Hotel, Montego Bay. I hear that it's beautiful there. I've never stayed there. Not at this point. But that is just one of Jamaica's gem. And we're going to enter the Rosal area now. And we have to be very careful because look, that's a stoplight. It said green and everyone was running ready. That's why you have to be very careful. It said green for me, but I paused to allow those lawbreakers in Jamaica to have their way. Just imagine pulling out and getting one of that. One day I was making a turn across there, Middlemine Lane. That was a couple of years before they had a stoplight. And Middlemine Lane was in the right part, allowing traffic to pass on my left. And while waiting for traffic to just be on the right side of where I should be going. Put on my indicator, was about to make a right, and someone decided to overtake with my indicator there. And that was 20 years ago. The road situation in Jamaica has not been put right. Some people need to lose their license, honestly. You're not worthy to travel on the road. Yes, lose it, take it away, and when they catch you again, they arrest you and charge you and put you away for some time for you to learn the lesson. Because I think Jamaicans have to learn lessons very hard sometimes. Yeah, the money might not be an issue because some of these people can break the law and pay for it. And that's what I realize in Jamaica. Yeah, but this is a stretch of road that has claimed many lives. Yeah. And cognizant of that. I respect the road, and that's the reality of it. But I just wonder if I could have a breakfast this morning, because I need to eat something before I head up, and there's a favorite spot that I always stop. So I'm going to stop there this morning. Can I eat in less than, I would say, 20 minutes? I'm going to try it, because I don't want to go on this road hungry, because once you hit up that place, everybody is going to be getting ready for this and that. So I estimate myself reaching there maybe 9:30. I need to iron my clothes. I didn't have an iron where I was staying. Yes, I was kind of roughing it out for the time here. Working on a project, needed to complete it, and I just didn't want to spend any other money on expense as it relates to hotels. So I just made sure I had an AC installed before and did my thing. You know, that's how it is. And there's a new development on the left. As you can see, I don't know what they're building, but Jamaica is just building. I love Jamaica. You know, Jamaicans build. You see these houses, they're building. They'll never stop building, ever building. Yeah. And we're entering the Little Boat area. That's an area that a lot of people live. They have some nice houses up there, and I know some individuals that live up there. Yeah, they have the best views sometimes. If you look across, you'll see that they possibly have the best view as it relates to the landscape. Yeah, but Jamaica is a nice place. I mean, one of the things I realized, we have a lot of crime, and it's relative compared to United States too. And I want to say that one of the issues is that sometimes these criminals are not punished, so they continue to do what they want to do. They intimidate witnesses and so forth. You know, in the United States, witness intimidation is a serious offense. Although there are certain people can intimidate people and nothing comes of it in the United States because of their political power. Yes, I said it. Yeah, so in Jamaica it can happen too. But we have to be cognizant. We are on a journey as a country. If we wanted to improve our status, we need to reduce crime, improve our health care, and let individuals start to value and honor hard work. You know, as I've been speaking to a lot of people in Jamaica, and I was saddened yesterday. I was buying some food from a friend of mine, and you know, we had a conversation, and we went deeper into the conversation, and I asked and checked in on a few others. During conversation, it was revealed that the young men nowadays, they prefer calling, scamming than hard work. So I said to him, at some point, it's going to catch up on them. The unwillingness to engage in hard work or work that you enjoy in Jamaica, and you're thinking of scamming and doing other things, watch out, they're going to knock on your door. Your own friends will knock at your door, or the law enforcement. There's no reward like that, that you make a phone call and you get money that is not yours, that you didn't work hard. You might claim it's working hard, no. You could have used that energy to what? Better yourself. And if you're saying you're working hard, that's not a classification of hard work in my dictionary. So I'm just going to pull up, maybe have a breakfast if it's possible, because I don't want to go there hungry. Put on my indicator, and then I'll see what's happening over here. A lot of people have parked here this morning. The food must be very good. Must be very good, this food. Alright, so let me see if it's good or not. Alright, so I stopped here for a while. I'm going to check out the food now.
Breeze whispers in our ear, ocean waves feel no fear, laughter echoes crystal clear, Jamaica's magic always here.
Had some food, delicious food. I'm off now. Yes. Yeah, I'm ready for the road. Yeah. Ready for the road. So Brownstown, here I come. Yeah, so that's going to be it for now. Yeah. So the food was delicious. Yeah, nice. Very pricey though. It's $1,200 for that food, including a coffee. Yeah. And plus I bought orange juice, so that was another $250. So roughly $1,450. Yeah. Bit steep. I could also cook my own food and it would work out less. Yeah. So if you choose to eat out all the time in Jamaica, you won't have any money. But if you choose to work and do some cooking, you'll be alright. Yeah, I love cooking, so I wouldn't have a problem. Yes, back on it again. And of course, heading to where you can see shopping center, hotels, Airbnb, a lot of them. Yep, a lot of them now. Yep. And there's a hotel coming up. I think this hotel has been renamed now. I think it might have been a Rio though. I think it's a Rio. Rio might have taken it over. As we go around, we'll confirm. Yeah. I think so much expansion going on in Jamaica. A lot. Nice roads. Just need good drivers now. Yeah. Just need good drivers now. Yeah. Quite a number of stuff. Did I pass it already? I don't know what happened. So that come around. Maybe it's coming around some point. And if you look at the hillside, so many houses up there. Look at these sides. Beautiful houses. Yeah. Roads are nice. Feeling good. Taking your time to go on the road. Still, you have your little area you want your coconut water in the morning or something. It's available there. As people say in Jamaican terms, things are going on. Yeah, and the highway. Yeah. This, if you are in the store lane, it means other people can pass on your right and traffic coming down. So because I drive very slow, I'll hug the slow lane. Yeah, this is my lane. No one can take it away from me. And I've heard about situations where people should not be in this lane, are coming down and crashing into other people. Just a waste. As I said before, there must be severe punishment for people who violate the laws purposefully and cause loss of life. Money should not be able to buy yourself out. There should be a penalty. Justice should be served. Yeah. It's going to be a kind of cloudy morning today, I think. Looking at it, a bit bleak. But the show must go on, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's always good to honor people who have shared even a little aspect of your life when you can, right? So I'm here. I thought it important to be there. So I'm just driving up. You know, sad day. You know, the Lord knows best. Sometimes you question, and sometimes I do, to be honest, I do. There's another hotel around that end. They must have a nice view. Never been around there. Let's just look at the landscape of this place. Buildings going up, and these are not simple buildings, you know. These are mansions. You know, look at that one. It's a mansion. It says 80 kilometers per hour, so I'm making sure I'm sticking to that. The cyclist is going up. Let me see if I can beat him. Yes, if you notice, no one. I told my sister-in-law that when I drove up here, no one is allowed to pass me, but she says everyone. And see, here's another vehicle passing me. Yeah, yeah. I drive within the limits, right? Yeah, not going for that one. Yeah, but I'll take my time up, take my time going down, and enjoy the scenery. Yeah. this is a beauty site, wow, of Jamaica. You see that if you stop there and look over, you'll see the beauty of the actual Caribbean Sea. You can still go around, you can still come around. Yep, Bass, we're still allowed to do that. Come back around. Yeah, the trucks, so you get a fast lane there. But sometimes individuals will come on to you and they should not be crossing that white line, but of course they think they have the fastest cars. But the law of physics has not changed. Yeah, so this is going into St. Anne. Yeah, from Trelawny to St. Anne. That's a border. So yes, I'm in St. Anne now. So almost there, but not yet there. Yeah, this is a site coming on where they said Christopher Columbus, but they call this place Discovery Bay. For some reason, I'm just wondering why they still call it Discovery Bay. They had Columbus Park here. It's closed down now. I don't think they should renovate it at all. Maybe they should change the theme. A reflection. Yes, they should rename it. Yes. And they have the Bauxite Company here. Jamaica hardly benefits from this. Yep. If you look at how they sold the bauxite out and the contracts they made, all they have done somewhat is to extract Jamaica's resources. And that seemed to be the order of the day. Yeah. Our beaches. Jamaicans sometimes don't have access to the beach. Yeah. Our beaches. They've allowed these people to build walls around them and not give the locals access. People have to be fighting for the rights to have access to the beach. Yes, that's a common theme in Jamaica. You know, and I'm saying to myself, how can you say you own the sea? Come on. Or you own the beach? And people have to be advocating for that. Livelihoods have changed. How people make their livelihoods have changed over a period of time. Which brings me to the point. This should have never happened. Turning up now. Almost there, I would say. Yeah, so it's going up to Brownstown area now. No, I don't think I'll reach Brownstown yet. I think I'm going to turn off first. Yeah, but this road has been fixed according to my sister-in-law. She said the road was fixed. And of course, looks good. But as I drive around this road, I'm wondering, when I hear the stories of Jamaica, I'm saying to myself, how do young people not understand the struggles of their ancestors? If they understood the struggles of their ancestors, they would be doing much better. But that was not taught in schools. It was like it was taught from a distance position. It has nothing to do. They talked about slaves and ex-slaves and Jamaica, but they have never said explicitly in the aspect of the curriculum that it is a connection directly to them, that it's their ancestors. As a matter of fact, I really saw that term being mentioned in textbooks, and that was Camelot, a new development that is being built. Many houses have already been built there too, and I think they're continuing the development. But yes, back to the conversation. Yes, the history seemed to have been taught from a distance position, as if slaves did not leave the descendants. Every Jamaican, most of them have a connection to Africa. Africa, yes. and they are descendants of slaves who fought hard to resist slavery. So we have to understand that we are descendants of a set of people who struggled hard, who were kings and queens, some of them taken to the Caribbean. And of course, they had their skills. And now we have individuals don't even want to work hard because they don't understand the struggle. If you understood what your ancestors did and how hard they had to work, you'd never do some of the things you're doing. You'd honor them. But the reality is you do not even understand your history. So how can you understand what guides your future? The reality is not understanding your history will allow you to do stupid things because you don't even respect your ancestors. So if you can't even respect your ancestors, you can't even respect your own self. And that's the reality. So when we see these young people talking about reparation, that's why they're scamming. Nonsense. They understand nothing. Nothing. Because reparation is not only about money. It's about ensuring that those who have been victimized inherit some level of equality. And I want everyone to understand that if you live a certain way, your end is going to be a certain way. And that's so important to understand. Yeah, so just remember, hard work and legal work is the only way to do. Because you might think you've gotten away, but your own little friends or the police or the whoever will come to get you. You might think you've gone, but you might think you've gotten away, but it's far from the reality. At this point in time, I'm going to stop. Practically reach Bel Air Meadows. Yeah, big houses again. I tell you, Jamaicans, I'm so proud of this country. Look, big houses, big space, big this, big that. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, this is on your way to.
Life is good, the vibe's so right. I live rhythm day and night. Food is nice, people bright. In the sun we take our flight.
Bottle of fun in the sun. Jamaica's where we all belong. Dance and sing till the day is done. In Jamaica's arms we feel so strong. Warm breeze whispers in our ear. Ocean waves feel no fear. Laughter echoes crystal clear. Jamaica's magic always here.
Pineapple, sweet mango bliss. Every moment you won't miss. Island hugs, a gentle kiss. Feel the reggae pure and crisp.
Bottle of fun in the sun. Jamaica's where we all belong. Dance and sing till the day is done. In Jamaica's arms we feel so strong.